Good morning. This is A. Malhotra. Welcome to my program Gyan Scholars. Today our agenda of discussion is a book written on Dalit leadership. The title of the book is Dalit Leadership in India. And whereas we have another book for the topic of discussion written by the same author, Dr. Vivek Kumar, that is Caste and Democracy in India. Professor Kumar has been a Ambedkar Professor Chair of Jawaharlal Nehru University of Delhi. Talking about the first book, Dalit Leadership in India, Professor Vivek Kumar claims that it is the first book of its kind with in-depth analysis on Dalit leadership in India. There has been a number of studies on Dalit movements, but it is the first initiative to write on such piece of articles that talk about work of Dalit leadership.
First of all, I congratulate Gyan Books as well as, the sister concerns, because they were quite forthcoming to give a chance to a very novice person like me, and they could realize the importance of the book, because they were the people who were telling us that, look, they had done research and there was no such understanding in academia. So for the first time, academia was getting a literature through which they can understand the Indian politics, that Indian politics itself is divided on the caste line. People were talking about identity politics, but I do not talk about identity politics. Rather, I talk about the very, very existential and entity relationship of the Dalits.
Professor Vivek Kumar says, though there have been a research work as far as the Dalit issues are concerned, but he tries to focus on the real problems and the issues concerned.
This is a very historical text, because before this book, there was no study on Dalit leadership in India. There were some studies on movements, but nobody has tried to coin even the phrase like Dalit leadership in India. There was no such topic of the book. So this is a first book length work of Dalit leadership in India, and it has actually very important pan-India construction of typology of Dalit leadership.
Professor Vivek Kumar said his book not only talks about the issues which have never been the topic of discussion among Dalit leadership, but also tries to draw the attention of the common man towards typology of Dalit leadership.
Political party, and they work on the bosses, the directions of the bosses given to them. So there is a very, very qualitative and quantitative difference between the two types of leadership. But this is not only a macro book, but because it has a micro analysis also. And in that, we have 4 chapters. One is on Uttar Pradesh also, because that was the time when Uttar Pradesh Dalit movement and Dalit political parties was trying to capture the political power in India. A Dalit-led political party was coming to the center stage of political power. Therefore, this book is a very, very historical book which captures the development of and evolution of Dalit leadership in India.
Professor Vivek Kumar finds it to be ironical that all the Dalit leaders have their own ideology, which they try to impose on Dalits. He also shared his views about the challenges related to the research work for his books.
Challenge was, first of all, collection of data itself, because my research, there was no one to actually identify that there is a Dalit leadership. Second, there was no historical material on the Dalit leadership, especially when we see Dalit leaders. There were few Dalit leaders like Babasaheb Ambedkar, or there was Jagjeevan Ram, who were only having some pages written on them, or some books were there, but rest of the Dalit leaders were blacked out from the whole academia, and there was no book, there was no pamphlet, there was no booklet on which we can build up the leadership. So it was very, very difficult for research, that how many leaders have there, and who were the leaders, what type of leadership they were trying to do. So it was a Herculean task for research, that we could bring up the Dalit leadership and Dalit movement in center stage of academia. Therefore, I think Gyan books should be complimented and congratulated that they were very bold enough to publish this work.
That's it for the day. This is A. Malhotra signing off. We will meet you again tomorrow.